Pour frozen fries into a jar and pour Coca-Cola over them. I swear this recipe for fries is the best. They taste better than McDonald's. Take a large capacity jar. Mine is about 3 liters. Pour an entire package of frozen fries into it. Then, pour 2 liters of cola over them, enough to completely cover the fries. Leave them for 10 minutes. Drain them through a sieve and spread them on a paper towel. Use it to remove excess moisture from the fries. Transfer them to a large bowl and add 50 grams of potato starch. Meanwhile, prepare the sauce. Dice 1 onion. Put it in a pan with heated olive oil. Sauté until it turns golden. Then, chop a clove of garlic and add it to the onion. Pour a large tablespoon of Coca-Cola into the pan. Add a tablespoon of ketchup and a teaspoon of honey. Also, add a tablespoon of soy sauce and balsamic vinegar. Season with a tablespoon of sweet paprika, sprinkle with pepper to taste. Pour frying oil into a pot and heat it to a high temperature. Add the fries to the pot and fry them until golden brown. That's it. This is the best recipe for fries. They taste even better than restaurant ones. Don't forget a homemade sweet and sour sauce.